Kagwe in absentia. Okay? Thank you.
I want to appeal to all Kenyans to take extra precaution to safeguard themselves from any injuries, and more particularly that which could affect the spinal cord. As part of these measures, I also encourage the use of reflectors for pedestrian safety, safety belt use, seat belt use, helmet use, harnesses at construction sites, not diving into shallow waters. These are some of the things that cause injuries of the nature that we're talking about. Appropriate road construction and signage. There is also a need for well-lit roads, properly trained motorists, well-trained pedestrians, appropriate vetting and licensing for firearm holders,